Folks, Nabil from Auto Repair Champs here. I've got a 2008 Pontiac G6 Coupe, 2 doors. Today I connected my scanner here because I was diagnosing a problem just to see what kind of codes that I'm getting. And interesting enough, the OBD was not connecting to my scanner. I just could not read any codes. It just kept erroring out, just saying unable to connect. So, long story short, there is a fuse that you need to check called the auxiliary fuse in the trunk. Based on this diagram here, I was able to find this diagram is for the fuse box in the trunk area, where sometimes they call it the luggage area. Looked all over here, tested all my fuses, all fuses checked just fine. And then went all the back here. And then there's another fuse box right in this area. And the fuse that we need to look at is number 20. That says cigarette auxiliary 20 amp right there, number 20. And sure enough, when we tested it, it failed. So we need to pull that fuse and get it replaced. Let me go ahead and pull that. So this is a 20 amp, and sure enough, it's blown right there. See if I can get it to focus for you guys here. Oh, come on. There you go. You can see it broken inside. So we're gonna go ahead and get that replaced. I'm gonna go ahead and pause this video